hi to the kids of San Luis Obispo County. I'm Sarah from Pyjama Drama Learning, and today we're going to do lots and lots of pretending together. Besides being lots of fun, it turns out that using your imagination is really, really good for your brain. The more time you spend pretending, the better you get at solving big problems. So let's get started with a pretend adventure. Thanks to the County of San Luis Obispo Public Libraries, the California State Library, and the Foundation for SLO Public Libraries. And remember, this isn't the kind of show you watch while you snuggle on the couch. We're going to have an adventure together. So make sure you join in, play along, and add your own imagination to the story. Let's go! Bring! Oh, that's my phone. Bring, bring. Oh, there it is. Bring, bring. Oh, look, it's Goldilocks' mom. I better take this. Hello? Hi. Oh, well, what's the matter? Oh, I bet you are. Oh, just a second. It is Goldilocks' mom, and she sounds really exhausted. She's a bit grumpy. I'm afraid. She says she's getting very tired of always cleaning up after Goldilocks' mess. Oh, well, you mean Goldilocks doesn't clean up after herself? Oh, you're picking up all her toys, making her breakfast, cleaning up after breakfast. Oh, you must be getting tired. No wonder. Yeah, she's just getting a bit burnt out from all the pickup and all the cleanup and all the cooking. You know what? I think I might have an idea for you. You know, when I need a break, that's just what I do. I take a break. What do you think? Should we suggest that Goldilocks' mom take a little vacation? I mean, not forever or a long time, just maybe take a day off. You think? Why don't you take a day off? Why don't you go have a little day trip somewhere or go spend the night in a hotel, swim in the pool, have a relaxing time, let someone take care of you for a while? Well, yeah, I think it's a great idea. Oh, she'll be fine. How old is she now? She'll be fine. Okay, she's a little worried that Goldilocks won't be able to take care of herself, but I mean, she's 7 years old. I think she should be okay, don't you? Okay. All right, you have a great time. Oh, good. All right, let us know how it goes. Bye. Okay, she's going. How fun is that? Goldilocks' mom is going to have a little break. Bring, bring. Oh, it's my phone again. Hi. Well, I'm sure she'll be all right. Oh, are you doubting? Goldilocks' mom again. She's not sure she should go because she's worried about Goldilocks. I'm not doing anything. Are you up to anything? I mean, could we pop in and check on Goldilocks from time to time? Just see that she's okay and let mom know? I'll tell her. Why don't you just rely on us? We will check on Goldilocks. We'll peek in the window and make sure she's okay, and we'll let you know. Okay. Oh, our pleasure. Oh, no problem. She says thank you so much. She's really, really grateful. All right, you just go and have a fun time and don't even think about it again. All right, goodbye. Oh, okay. Let's head over and check on Goldilocks every now and then, and we can just let Mama know how great she is. Come on, let's go. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Oh, I'm so cozy, snug in my bed. Oh, I think I might stay in bed all day and read my books. I do love a snuggly, warm bed. I don't notice any sounds of pots or pans. My mom is usually up making breakfast and making all kinds of noise at this time, and I'm getting really hungry. Maybe I'll just go downstairs and check to make sure Mom is making my porridge. Whoa! Whoa! Ow! I stepped on my toy car. What is my toy car doing on the floor? My mom always picks up my toys when she goes to bed. Something's funny. First, no porridge in bed. Then, look at this mess. There's toys and dolls and clothes all over my floor. All right, I'll carefully move past. I don't see any porridge. I'm hungry. Oh, there's a note here. Dear Goldilocks, that's me. I am taking a break. I'm very tired of cooking and cleaning and always picking up after you. I'll be back tomorrow. Take good care of yourself. Love, Mom. What does she mean she's taking a break? It's not like it's hard work, cooking and cleaning and picking up. I can't believe she needs a break. Well, I guess I'll just have to make my breakfast myself, right? Okay, let's see. Porridge. A pot. I need a pot. Where does Mom keep the pots? I'll just check. The refrigerator. No pots. The oven. No pots. The cupboard. Oh, there's the pot. I found the pot. And now I need some milk. See, I know how to make my own porridge. Milk. All right. Oven. No milk. Cupboard. Where is the milk? Where is the milk? This is too hard. First, I trip on my toy and I got a hungry tummy because nobody made me breakfast in bed, and now I can't even find the milk. Check the refrigerator. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's heavy. All right. Obviously, I can make my own porridge, right? Okay. Glug, 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 sploosh. Got all over my clothes. This is my best pajamas. Ugh. Fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'm just gonna go change into some new clothes. I'll be fine. I don't have any clean dresses. This is getting really hard. First of all, I can't even find the milk, and look at my room. I'm getting really, really hungry. My light bulb just went out. Oh, it's too much. It's too much. Now I have to change a light bulb. Okay. Get it together, Goldilocks. Get it together. Okay. I just need a few things to do. How hard can it be, right? I mean, it is a really tall light bulb. But we'll just get a ladder and it won't wobble or fall, right? And I mean, how hard is it to mop up milk from a floor? You know, it's not like we're gonna slip or anything. And I mean, making porridge, easy. Washing clothes, easy. Tidying up, easy. All right, let's do this. Okay, ladder. Light bulb. Unscrew. Whoa! Unscrew. Wobble. Okay, new one. Whoa! And new one. Whoa! Oh, it's on. Okay, that was fabulous. Now, pick up my toys. Easy as pie. Pick up and toss in the box. Pick up and toss in the box. Pick up and toss in the box. Pick up and toss in the bowl. Window. Oops. Okay, let's mop the floor. Soapy water, forward, back. Soapy water, forward, back. Soapy water, forward, back. Soapy water, forward, back. I put my foot in the soapy water. Oh. Maybe I'll just jump in the washing machine with all the other wash. Whoosh. Whoosh! This is great! Whoosh! Ugh. I think I know why Mom doesn't jump in the washing machine. Ooh. All right, let's make that porridge. Oats, oats, stir it up, 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 stir it up. Stir it up. Oh, I think I made too much porridge. It's bubbling up over the top. Oh dear. Oh, that's a lot of porridge. Oh, just grab a spoon. Really good though. Good porridge. Take some. Quick, it's bubbling over the pot. Eat more, eat faster. Okay, I ate so much. It's still bubbling over. Eat faster. Do you think this is a magic pot? I mean, the pot is still full, and I ate probably 3 bowls worth. Oh. Awesome! A magic pot! That's so cool! Oh, but it's bubbling onto the counter. Oh, maybe I better clean it up a little bit. And oh, it's bubbling onto the floor. Oh, where'd I put the mop? Oh dear. It's making a really big mess. Oh, I don't know what to do. Help me think of what to do with all this porridge. I can't eat it all. My stomach is already really full. But I could invite the neighbors over. Good thinking. Yes. Or I could just run away. Oh. Do you know any magic words that go with a magic pot? I mean, maybe there's a way to make the magic pot stop cooking. Oh, okay. You do what you think is the best thing to do, okay? And let's see if we can handle all of this porridge. Ready? Go! Hi, Mom, it's me, Goldilocks. Yeah, I'm fine. I miss you. And, I realized you do a lot of work, and I really appreciate how you clean up for me and how you cook the porridge every day and how you wash my clothes. And I'm really glad you're my mom. Mom, I'm gonna start helping you because I noticed those jobs are a little easier when you have help. I love you, Mom. Bye. She said thanks. Oh, and thank you for helping. That would have been way too much to do all by myself. I'll see you later. I'm just gonna head on in and clean up some of this porridge mess. Oh, look at all of the little squirrels and mice and birds that are eating the porridge. Oh, fabulous. Hey, thanks, guys. Oh, come on. There's plenty for everybody. This won't be so hard to clean up after all.